So this cabinet is should be staying closed, okay? We have some concealed hinges in here, and they've gone bad, okay, to where they're supposed to, of course, stay closed, just like this one next to it. See, it has resistance on it as you're pulling, and then it closes and stays closed. This one just keeps popping open, okay? So we're gonna repair that. We're gonna replace these. I got these at Lowe's. They're overlay hinges, okay? They're not an exact match, but they're close enough.
Mechanics for non-mechanics.
We're gonna take out these two Phillips screws right here with our Milwaukee drill, link in the description, and a Phillips fitting here. So here we go. Alright, and this door comes off. Alright, so we have our banana here.
Sorry, that's my banana.
No problem. We're going to take these 4 screws off. I already had to take one out, okay? But these 4 screws are going to come off. 1, 2. This one I dropped on the floor somewhere, but there it is. Okay, and these actually kind of pried out. I had a flat blade. You might need a flat blade screwdriver to pull it up. Okay, so these are our old concealed hinges. Now they should have some snap to them. They've lost their snap. See, these ones got snap to them. That's what we want. These hinges can go either side. So they can go on a left cabinet or a right cabinet. That's a question I had, but now come over here. Now these already have this hole cut out of it, but if it didn't, you actually have to cut out, I think it says to cut out a half inch hole. Okay, so this, you cut out a half-inch hole. Now these are already cut out, so you don't have to worry about it, but these come with the instructions. But you cut out a half-inch hole here, and this can go either way. This can go like this. Okay. Now the old ones, again, this is not a perfect match, but all I have to do is I'm going to drill a hole in a little bit different of a place, and then it'll work just fine. Alright, so I'm going to drill a hole. Okay, so I got my Dewalt drill here. Okay, this is the 20 volt brushless Dewalt drill. Link in the description. And I'm going to get a bit. I just got some cobalt bits, okay? So anytime you're choosing a bit, you want it to be a little bit smaller. You want the bit to be a little bit smaller than the screw itself. So we're drilling a hole with a bit, and then we're going to put the screw in with the other drill, okay? So I'm going to use a 1/16, okay? It's a little bit smaller than the width of the screw. All right, so that's our little tiny drill bit that we're gonna make a tiny hole with. Let's do it. Okay, so again, here's our old holes. Okay, so we're gonna make these new holes a little bit above it. Kind of in the middle. You don't want to go too deep, right? You want to go about the depth of the screw. You don't want to go through the cabinet. Okay, and let's do one on this side. Okay, so that's tight there. Same thing, we're going to drill 2 holes on this side. All right, there it is right there. All right, these are the screws that came with it. So we have our holes here already made from before. And anytime you're screwing something in, you can screw it in a little bit with your finger. Make it a little easier. Whoops. And let's put the second one in. Don't lose that screw. That would be screwed up. Haha.
You'd be screwed.
You'd be screwed, that's right.